Today I'm going to show you a really quick and simple trick for wearing your hair down. I don't wear my hair down very often. It's, it gets too much damage from getting caught in things or having the wind blow it around. It's very long. So I wear it up in updos 95% of the time. But if I do, for a special occasion, want to wear it down, I don't like how this looks. It's like, it's all like puffy and weird and in the way. I don't know. I don't like how my hair looks just regular down. But I discovered this simple little trick that makes it a lot better. And that is, I'm going to take a small section from the sides of my face. I'm going to pull it a little bit tight and attach it with a ponytail holder underneath. So let's see, enough here. And then you can't even tell that I don't have all of my hair just straight down unless you're looking extremely closely. So much easier, just keeps it a little bit more contained and doesn't get puffy around my face. So I really like that little trick for wearing my hair down on the rare occasions that I do.